Productivity shouldn't come at the cost of security. With AnySecura, you don't have to choose. AnySecura protects your enterprise data with full-spectrum control and intelligent risk auditing. From document encryption to endpoint monitoring and secure collaboration, all in one platform. AnySecura helps you keep your business data safe no matter where or how it's used. From file sharing to USB drives and web access, you get full control and clear insight into what's happening across your team. Now let's explore what services we're offering. First one, control access to websites and applications, block risky connections, and monitor network traffic to reduce exposure to external threats. Second one, deploy security policies across users and devices from a unified console and generate audit logs and compliance reports effortlessly. Third one, protect sensitive information by monitoring and controlling data transfers, preventing leaks via email, USB, cloud storage, and more. The fourth one, track employee activities including application usage, website visits, file operations, and generate detailed reports to identify risky behavior. The fifth one, manage and restrict the use of external devices like USB drives, printers, and Bluetooth peripherals to prevent unauthorized data copying. The sixth one, encrypt confidential files and apply dynamic watermarks to trace and protect documents from unauthorized distribution. Last one, record screen activities to capture critical events and support compliance audits or investigations. AnySecura is everything you need to keep your data protected and your team running smoothly. First, we offer end-to-end data security. That means your files are tracked, your transfers are controlled, and access is restricted every step of the way. Second, you get smarter user insights. See how your team is using apps, websites, or USB drives in real time, and spot risky behavior before it becomes a problem. And third, it's all managed from one place. With centralized control, you can update software, manage devices, and stay compliant, all while keeping IT simple. That's it. From data-sensitive sectors to fast-growing enterprises, AnySecura adapts to your security and compliance needs. Try AnySecura now. Contact us for expert support on cybersecurity and data protection solutions.